All right, guys, so continuing the Murph prep that we got going on for the next couple weeks, all right? Starting to establish that baseline, we're gonna be working on the push-ups. Now we're moving on to the pull-ups, okay? So we'll work a little bit here. So we've got max wide grip pull-ups, all right? So this will kind of be outside shoulder width, kind of reaching towards a little bit, not extremely wide, but a little bit wider than per se that we would normally grab here, okay? We're going for max set, or max reps. So try to get as many reps as you can. Now, if you need to use a band, that's fine. We're looking at something that's probably gonna get us somewhere around that 10 mark, somewhere in that ballpark, okay? Then you want to remember what band you use for each one of these, because when we do retest this at the end of this cycle, we wanna see where we've made those improvements here. Okay, so we'll get max wide grip pull-ups. Okay, then from there, you'll rest for 1 minute. All right, then we'll go into regular grip pull-ups. So if I'm grabbing roughly about shoulder width, wherever you normally grab for pull-ups, all right? We'll do 1 more minute of rest. Then from there, we're gonna go to underhand. So instead of overhand, we're gonna switch that to regular chin-up pull-ups. Now, the chin-up pull-ups, the regular ones are gonna be at shoulder width, because then after a minute rest, we're gonna go into our narrow grip chin-ups, okay? So we're looking for max reps on each one of these, okay? If we need to add different bands for different ones, okay, or if I need to use like a purple here, and then like the chin-ups are a little bit easier, and I can maybe use an orange, whatever that is, we just wanna keep track of that, so that way we can have a measurable outcome when we get towards the end here, okay? This is just the beginning, all right? So then after, all right, we've got our workout, all right? So this is gonna be a little different structure. So we got 5-minute AMRAP, okay? And we're going for max wall balls, right? 20 and 14 is the prescribed weight as per normal. If we need to scale the wall ball itself down, that's perfectly fine, but we're looking at something to where we can kind of stay consistent. Now, obviously we're not gonna be doing 5 minutes straight, but something to where maybe we do 10, take a couple second break, or 15, whatever that may be. We're just ideally trying to stay consistent over these 5 minutes, okay? We'll rest 2.5 minutes, okay? So half the time that we just worked, we will rest, then we will move on into another 5-minute AMRAP, okay? This will be max calories, okay, on the rower. So we'll get you a rower, get as many calories as we can at time. So again, this is gonna be something you're just trying to stay consistent for those 5 minutes, all right? Again, another 2.5-minute rest, followed up by the last 5-minute AMRAP of max power snatches. Now the loading for prescribed is 135 and 95, but we are picking a weight to where we can, consistently move this over 5 minutes.